Prime movers, not first but always fast mover. New innovation packing moving industry relocation world. Packers and movers Patna Bihar. Hiring the best moving company will provide you with best packers and movers who will help you get your home moved from one place to another. Packers and movers have become an integral part of business. Best professional packers and movers Patna Bihar. Proficient packers are trained to treat your belongings with care, using the correct materials to guarantee that your things get to your new area securely. Hiring packers can cause a great deal of pressure during the move. Relocation services Patna Bihar. As opposed to that of the common notion, relocating of a workspace can be much more complex and complicated than relocating your home. Car transport services by car carrier Patna Bihar. Our team ensures your car movement is on schedule, safe and with the utmost care. Our customer service team is available to help explain how we stand out from the crowd of other movers. Bike transport by two-wheeler body scooter Patna Bihar. Our company is ensuring the complete safety of each of our customers' belongings. The process is pretty simple. First of all, you need to identify a main station near to you from where you can send the bike as parcel. Commercial and household goods luggage transport services Patna Bihar. Personal goods can come in many shapes, sizes and weights. Pack and Send can always offer a solution to moving your personal goods to your destination. Commercial complex office factory industrial relocation shifting solution Patna Bihar. Commercial relocation services including planning, packing and unpacking, labeling, and loading. A full roster of services and experienced project managers and crews give our clients. Local transporter services within city interstate and intrastate transportation Patna Bihar. Best quality moving services for local shifting within Pune at most economical cost. Explore a list of professional movers and shortlist by yourself. Or you can simply fill the inquiry form to share moving requirements, get references. Pet relocation services by chartered special vehicle Patna Bihar. You are interested in hiring us for full service pet relocation support and your move is taking place at least 3 months from now. We encourage you to send us your information as soon as possible. Goods storage, warehousing and CO working spaces available Patna Bihar. Warehousing is an important piece of your retail supply chain. While it's not the sexiest of subjects, warehousing and inventory storage affect everything from sourcing raw materials. Commercial vehicle, factories and transit insurance Patna Bihar. Transit insurance coverage includes common perils which might cause damage to the goods which are being transported. These perils against which transit insurance protects the goods. Contact us on www.cargo.in, shifting@cargo.in, Indian Prime Movers @gmail.com, and mobile number 9405410002.